In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life on your Acura MDX. We're going to start by putting the vehicle on accessory mode, and to do so, we're going to click on the engine start button twice without pressing on the brake. Now we're going to scroll using this button right here until we get to the vehicle settings. We're going to click it. We're going to scroll down to maintenance. We're going to click on it. And it's going to ask if we want to reset it. So simply just scroll down, press reset. And then from here, we're just going to back out. We're going to go on cancel, go on exit, and scroll down. And here it is, oil life 100%.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.